Welcome back, YouTube. I don't know if you've seen the last video, one of the last videos when I did the podcast. I said I was in Russia. Well, guess what? It's snowing in Russia, and today we are at one of the local shopping centers doing what Russians love doing in winter. We're basically just doing a bit of snow drifting. I'm currently in a BMW 3 Series. It's a 1.8 diesel, I think. My cousin's car, rear-wheel drive, studded tires, and let's go and have some fun. As you can see, there's a lot of fun. I mean, obviously the police, they are not too keen on people doing that, but as you can see, there's nobody around. I mean, unless you're a proper idiot, but yeah, look at that classic. Oh, he's doing it well, didn't he? Come on, boy. Usually there's quite a few ding-a-dongs, what they call them, whatever. People end up in a lamppost or something, but
nice.
Hopefully nothing will happen tonight, so we'll just wait for this thing to cool down a bit, because you can imagine you're raving the tits of it. Well, you're not really, you're kind of feathering, but it's only a 1.8 diesel, but yeah, so much fun.
Moments later.
Go, 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 go!
20 minutes later.
Well, it's fun until it's not fun. So yeah, the local police have arrived. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna finish this one here. I don't know what kind of video this is, just a little bit of fun. Hope you like it. Click like, as obviously that's what we need. And yeah, until next time, bye.